In this short video, I'll give you an overview of how easy it is to change the color of your hydrangeas. Here at Celtic Farm, we grow quite a few hydrangeas for cut flowers, and we've experimented over the years with some interesting effects. Really, the secret is changing the pH of the soil. So you take a measurement, you figure out where you are, and then you can apply different amendments to the soil to actually adjust. And you can get colors anywhere from a blue to a purple or a mix to pink, depending on your color preference and what you want to do out in the landscape. So it's really just a matter of measuring the pH, figuring out where you need to get to, and then applying the amendments. So I walked out, I applied some fertilizer, some amendments to acidify the soil in fall, but what I want to do here in right before spring is measure again the pH of the soil. So I'll take my pH meter, and you can get these on our website if you need one. You can find them a number of places. I'll stick it in around the roots, and you'll see that I'm in the 5.7 range, which is interesting because this plant was purple last year, so it's right in that range. Range from 4.5, and I'll walk around the plants and in that grove area and take a bunch of different readings and figure out what I need to do. Now the pH, depending on where I was anywhere from 6.9 down to about 4.2. So if I look at my chart, you can see that I want blue this year, so I need to get below 5.5. So you can find aluminum sulfate. There's a number of providers depending on where you live that make it, and read the directions. In this case, it's about a quarter cup for mature plants. So I know that my scoop is about a full cup if I fill it up. In this case, I'll put enough in for 2 plants. And then one tip is to make sure you apply it around the drip line of the plant. That's where the most active roots are and where it'll uptake that amendment really quickly and get that aluminum that'll give you that change in color in the soil. So you can see here, I did a couple of plants, and I'll continue and go on and get the rest of my area. And we'll have some really pretty varied hydrangeas for spring. So if you like it, go ahead and try it. Like our video, subscribe, and happy gardening.